Do you know how effective building maintenance can prevent costly repairs? This video explores how eAuditor ensures buildings remain safe and functional through regular inspections. Discover the steps involved in using this powerful tool for efficient building management. Every inspection starts with capturing essential details to ensure accountability. The date of inspection is recorded to track maintenance schedules. Building name and specific area or floor being inspected are noted for precise location tracking. Inspector details, including name and department, are logged for responsibility. Weather conditions are recorded if they impact the inspection process. Exterior inspections cover walls for cracks and paint condition. Roofs are checked for leaks and gutters for proper drainage. Doors and windows are inspected for sealing, while outdoor lighting is tested. Interior inspections address walls, ceilings, and floors for damage. Ventilation systems, staircases, and railings are assessed for safety. Electrical systems require checking all lights, switches, and sockets. Plumbing inspections focus on leaks, corrosion, and water tank cleanliness. Safety systems ensure fire extinguishers are accessible and charged. Emergency exits must be clear and exit signs working. Smoke detectors and first aid supplies are also checked for readiness. When issues are identified, they are documented thoroughly for resolution. Each issue is described with its exact location within the building. Severity levels are classified as low, medium, or high to prioritize response. Recommended actions and required parts are specified for each issue. Assigned technicians and target completion dates are also recorded. This closes the inspection cycle and confirms safety standards are met. It ensures the building is operational and compliant. The process highlights the importance of thorough inspections. eAuditor is mobile-friendly, allowing inspections on phones and tablets. It saves time with digital checklists, reducing errors and maintaining consistency. Real-time reporting helps fix problems quickly and track progress. Compliance support ensures safety and adherence to company rules. This tool minimizes risks and avoids penalties with built-in checks. Through regular inspections and timely repairs, eAuditor maintains building safety. It helps teams efficiently manage maintenance tasks and prevent costly damages. By using eAuditor, you ensure your building remains functional and compliant.